Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, here today with
Emma.
And Emma just recently started taking voice and piano lessons, so she's going to help demonstrate today how to do one of the vocal exercises from the Contemporary Workouts book that I like to use with my students who like singing contemporary style music. We're going to do exercise number 4. This book's from Berkeley Press, from Berkeley School of Music. So it has an accompaniment track here, and you can follow along if you have the book. This is a warm-up slide.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Breathe. So, for that exercise, you're supposed to use an oo vowel. For your oo vowel, just like for any vowel, you want to keep the tip of your tongue against the roots of your lower teeth. And then in the back, you want to lift up your soft palate a little bit as you're going up the scale, like you're yawning. So there's space in the back of your mouth. Can you lift it up? Like, do you know where your soft palate is?
Like kind of your tongue, or I don't know.
Not your tongue. So if you put the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, feels hard. That's your hard palate.
Like your bottom of your mouth.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
If you slide your tongue backwards along the roof of your mouth, you feel where it changes. That part where it feels soft is your soft palate. So the hard palate is hard. It's hard, so it can't move. But the soft palate is soft.
Yeah.
So it can move. So when you yawn, you lift up your soft palate, and that's why if you're talking and you yawn suddenly, like your voice sounds weird.
Yeah, like different. Like.
So can you lift it up?
Yeah.
And you feel when you lift it up, it also stretches like kind of all the way. It feels like a big circle all the way around the back of your throat.
Kind of feels like somebody's pulling you up too. Like I feel like when you're yawning, you're like, I feel like you kind of like lift up. I don't know.
So that's the ideal feeling to have in the back of your throat when you sing, is this stretched open feeling. It's kind of like if you were bouncing a ball. If you bounce it on a smooth, like pavement surface, it's going to bounce really well. But if you try to bounce the ball on top of your squishy bed, it's all soft and squishy, it's not going to bounce. And that's what the sound waves do. If you stretch your muscles taut, it gives the sound waves a better surface to bounce around on. So let's try again. Lift up your soft palate. Then put it back down. And lift it up. And put it back down. So the interesting thing is, for any vowel shape, you can lift up your soft palate. Like even if your lips are completely closed, try lifting it up. And then you can put it back down. So you can lift it up for every vowel, and you can keep the tip of your tongue down against the roots of your lower teeth for every vowel, and that makes more space in your mouth so the sound can get out. So down in the front with the tip of your tongue going down, and so you can keep that shape, and then just bring your lips into an ooh. Ooh! Try. Ooh! Ooh! So to make the n sound at the beginning, because it's a new sound, the tip of your tongue has to go up against the roof, up a teeth. Can you do that? So you start with your tongue there, and then you flip it down to your lower teeth. No! No! But the n is a voiced consonant, which means your voice makes a sound during the consonant, right?
Yeah.
Not like k. There's no voice happening there. Right? So a nice voiced consonant like that, it puts your sound forward right away at the beginning. So try again. No! No! So that's nice and open, as opposed to, because ooh is a pretty tight, pretty shallow vowel. It could sound like no, no, right? So you could make an ooh sound with your teeth completely together like this. Ooh, can you do that? Ooh, ooh. You hear how tight it sounds? Now separate all of your teeth, open in the back, tongue down, and no! Like you can hear even talking.
Yeah.
It's a lot more sound. So let's do it closed, teeth together.
No.
No. Your lips are not making an ooh. No. And then open. No. So the tight way is bad for us for singing, and the open way is good. So let's just try that same exercise just a few more times and think about the openness.
3, 4.
Breathe down low. So as you go up, lift up. Breathe in your belly. Now lift up like you're yawning. The feeling when you go up naturally is to constrict, kind of like if you were taking the top of a balloon and pulling it, and it makes that really high-pitched sound. Kind of feels like if I tighten up, it'll make the high sounds come out more easily, but it's the opposite of that. You want to open farther.
Yeah.
Woo! Try again. Woo! So it's a feeling of up and over. No! Like it's kind of coming up the back of your throat, up and over. So it's like you're hitting the pitch from above.
Oh, yeah.
Try it with me with your fingers. No! And again. No! Yeah. Well, thumbs up for Emma for her ooh vowel. Give yourself